everybody, and welcome to day 2 of our mini November advent calendar nail designs. So, yesterday we made this lovely black and white French set complete with roses and rhinestones. Something classy, clean, and can go with anything. For today's set, the inspiration, while it may not feel holiday at first, it just screams family dinner during Thanksgiving to me. Growing up in the 80s, a lot of my family still had cookingware from the 50s to the 70s, and one of the biggest patterns I remember the most on the dishes and all of the bakeware was this beautiful blue cornflower design. I always felt so royal and dainty eating off such beautiful plates, and the only time I saw that side of my family was during the holidays. So when I found this design, I was instantly taken back to the kitchen and helping clean a turkey or prepare an apple pie for that big day. Also, today's design happens to be a pretty trendy one over the past couple of months, so it's kind of like a 2-for-1 nail design today. And before we get too far, if you are new here, hello, I'm Rocky, your nail art obsessed friend that will send you random reels and TikToks at 2 a.m. On this channel, we have lots of fun discussing nail trends, products, and showing you how to achieve the Pinterest nails of your dreams. Typically, we upload once a week with the occasional live stream on the channel, but this week is a special 6-day series to get your nails holiday ready. Ready to see that inspiration board come to life? Let's get into this nail design. Hello everybody and welcome to the nail station. So today's set of nails, these ones are going to be a little bit quicker. I was able to pull them off in 35 minutes. And what we're first doing is we're going to go in with 2 coats. Well, we're starting off with the first of the 2 coats. And what I'm using is a Bluesky Gel Polishes today for the color. This is white mushroom, but really any white gel polish or even nail polish will work. We are also going to be using a foil plus some charm. So these nails, while they didn't take as long, they still look very beautiful, very elegant. And like I said, these kind of reminded me of the dishes and the cookware that I would see growing up as a kid, like Corningware and Pyrex with that blue cornflower on them. So this is what takes me back to the holidays. And to me, that's the cool thing about holiday nails, or nails in general. Who says it has to be burnt reds and oranges and browns and yellows or reds and greens just because, those are the holiday colors. The holidays really, to me, are about whatever memories bring you back to the holidays. And those dishes they take me back to that happy place in my childhood. But now, after a 60-second cure, with this gel polish, it does that 60 seconds because of the type of lamp I have, which is a UV LED one. I got it from EnailCouture. We are going in now though with a second coat just to make sure it's that nice rich fullness in color, because again, there's not going to be a lot of places we can hide on this one. We're going in straight with the nail foil, so we want no pinking, no transparency. We want full opaqueness, and we also want to make sure that we're not laying the coats too thick, so that way it's not wrinkling up or bubbling or doing anything weird. So nice thin coats. And once I get these done, we're going to go in for another 60 seconds, and then we will be doing the EnailCouture Maxie Transfer Foil Glue. And yes, I did have a little bit of a wardrobe change in between of trying to get this video edited and recorded. My dog wanted to go outside. We went for a hour-long walk. I came home. I was dirty. I needed a shower, so I washed my hair. But now that I have got those 2 coats on, we are going to go in with the Maxie Transfer Foil Glue. And really, you can use any brand too. You might just need to change up how you want to cure it, or how long you need to cure it, or how long you need to let it set. With this one here, I found a 60-second cure is just enough so it's still sticky but not too sticky. And I've also found that it likes to sit for about 5 minutes to fully cool down and let all of those bonds and molecules do what they need to do. And then after about 5 minutes, I can go in with the transfer foil and get a nice clean transfer. I have other brands. I also use SXC. It's just like that, the letters Sierra X-Ray Charlie. Not trying to say anything weird on here. I've also used Model Ones and Beetles and Savvyland as well. There's another one, I think it's called Bruno. I've only seen it on Amazon. I got it a while ago with some poly gels, and all of those brands work pretty well. I found it's maybe about, again, a 30 to 60 second cure. Some of them I can wait a minute. Some of them I gotta wait like 3 minutes. So it really all just depends on your lamp and what brand you're using to determine the best time for your transfer foils. And I was kind of working on a couple sets of nails at one time. That is the one good thing about this EnailCouture lamp I have. I can load up like 6-8 nails in there, like the little nail stands, and we are good to go. But now I am just going in with that nail foil after I have cured them and kind of let them cool down for that 5 minutes. And just like I was saying yesterday in yesterday's video, I used to use silicone tools. Every so often I will pull them out when I'm doing nail foils or stickers, but I just like to use my hands. I feel like the heat from your fingertips and your hands just adds to that ability to help the foil transfer and really lay down nicely. And what's nice about this foil too is it already has a white background to it, so as long as we're getting like the blue flowers down correctly, it all should kind of blend together and just look like we painted everything on. But how is everybody today? I hope you guys are enjoying this little series that I decided to do instead of just releasing one big long video. I just felt it was going to be way too much trying to release that video, even though some of these nail designs are a little quicker and a little simpler. Just more easy to digest instead of a 2-hour long video and then trying to find that design. Here you can just go directly to the video and like, this is the one I wanted to do. And if you're curious about any of the products that I have been using in this series, I will be throwing it down in the description. And I do like to say most of my links are affiliate free, especially my Amazon links, but I do have a couple out there where I am affiliates with them, like Bluesky and Maxie. So if you do choose to use any of my links for those companies and want to purchase any of the products or use my code, they do give me a small portion of that sale, which I use to help improve the channel, add more product here, get better cameras, better microphones. So that's where all of that floods back into. But we are moving along pretty quickly. Like I said, I got these done in about 35 minutes. And keep in mind, when I was making these nails, I was making all of the other nails for this series as well, ×2. So, you know, you gotta take the pictures afterwards, and it doesn't look good if you don't have a full set on. It looks kind of weird when it's just one hand. So, and don't look at my hands today. They have been, after this week of putting, I have so many nails and pictures and shorts and things that will be uploading here on TikTok, on Instagram. And I know I keep itching my nose. I am so sorry, guys. I'm sick and I'm trying to get over it. Ugh. But I'm also now on Pinterest. Yay? I don't know how to use Pinterest. I just like upload stuff there, like different nails that I have done. Maybe you've seen some of these, you have seen some of them you have not. They have come. I finally found a bunch of my old pictures I hid in the vault, so I have been throwing them up there on Pinterest. So if you want to see some of my older designs before I started recording, you can always go check me out on Pinterest at Nails by Rocky and check them out. I've also been uploading some of the stuff that I sell in Poshmark and Macari, a lot of the different clothes and postcards and collectibles I sell. So it's been a week. It has been a long week, everybody. But we are going to get through it, because next week is the holidays, and that's going to be an even longer week. I think my daughter is going to be in town that week as well. Her boyfriend is going to be coming with her from Georgia. And we're all going to go to my mother-in-law's house, so that is going to be fun, fun, fun. And let me know in the comments, do you have any fun holiday plans? Are you going out of town? Are you doing anything? Are you the one having to cook? Thank goodness for my mother-in-law. She's the one cooking. I might make a side dish every so often. I make like macaroni and cheese or, you know, some little side. But I don't want to cook for like 8 hours. Everybody consumes it in 20 minutes and is passed out in my house somewhere. I'm not about that life. And what we're doing now after the foil work is done is I'm going in again with this little, I don't remember how I got this trial size bottle of Model 1's matte nail polish. It must have came with like some group of polishes I bought off Amazon by Model 1's. I don't ever remember using it. I found it hidden in this like box of all these extra supplies I had, and I was like, let's try it out. I've never tried Model 1's base coat, top coat. Let's see how it works. And it worked really well. I mean, why wouldn't it? I mean, it would have to be a pretty bad gel for it not to work. And again, I'm going to put it in there for 60 seconds. These little blue charms, I mean, you can get these things anywhere. Amazon, Temu, Shein, your favorite nail supply website or store. These ones probably came though off Temu or Shein. That's where I get most of my charms from. I'm not proud of it, but... And what I'm going to do is I'm going in with this nail rhinestone charm glue. This is by, I want to say it's called Exige? Xei? Exige? If you know how to say it in the comments, let me know. I mean, maybe you can like type out the way to pronounce it. I googled it and it still wasn't helping me figure out how to pronounce it. So, but the brand is called XEYJAYI. I remember from yesterday's video. I did it. This nail glue, it like literally holds down. Top coat, matte coat, it does not matter. Once I put this stuff on and a charm on top, again, I'm a fan of the 60-second cure. That way I know everything is fully cured. I have flash cured it before for 15 seconds and the gems set very well, but 60 seconds I like to cure all of my gels for minimum. I put these in the lamp and oh my goodness, these charms, they never fall off. I've been using this nail rhinestone glue for the last, I don't know, 2-3 years now. I bought a bunch of it off Shein and it hasn't worn out yet. It hasn't gone bad. I just keep using it. So I love it. I'm glad I stocked up on it. I'm sure I can find more on Shein, but and I'm so sorry, guys. I'm trying not to be rude and rub my nose, but I'm so stuffed up right now. I'm ready. That's why this video might be coming out, I think, a little later on Wednesday night than what I would like. I kind of laid around in bed all day with my dog and just let the flu, cold, bronchitis wave over me. I also will be having another video tomorrow. Like I said, this is only day 2 of our 6-day series. So we definitely have something cool and quick planned for tomorrow. It also only took me about, I think 30-ish minutes to pull it off. I'll look at the paper when I'm making the video so we can be more accurate. But now that I have put everything in the lamp for its final cure, this is what the nails look like, minus a little dog hair that got on there. But these are the nails in all of their beauty. And I'm also going to pull out yesterday's nails just so you can get a sneak peek of what we did yesterday in case you haven't got to check that video. And there we have it now, besties. Day 2 in the books with the blue cornflower realness with blue rhinestones for that little bit of shimmer and glimmer underneath the holiday lights this year. And let me know in the comments what you think of this nail design and also the different format that we are trying out. I wanted to do like a 15-20 minute video. I want to do a few of them and kind of see, do people like this more, or do you prefer the old style where we would do a couple of nail designs and more like an hour-long setting? I personally like both, so I don't mind whichever way you guys like it. We will cater to those needs. Just make sure you relax your hands, okay? If you've been to a nail salon, you know. But as always, my nail besties, instead of ending the video with the reminder of liking and subscribing, I will throw in the little image here, but instead of reminding you to do that, because every YouTuber tells you to do that, you already know that's what we would like for you to do, but I want you to do what you want to do. I'm just happy you're here hanging out with me today. And like my favorite Sailor Mercury has always said, be pure, be honest, and be beautiful. I love you, nail besties. If it's your birthday, happy birthday, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.